Hello, how you doing? It's Mr. Do the Math here, and today we're going to talk about home mortgage. All right. So today we're going to look at calculating the home mortgage and then figuring out what the interest is going to be like at a specific month, and what the principal payment is going to be at a specific month, and then how the loan or the price of the house or the value of the house changes, or the price of your loan changes. All right. So first things first. The mortgage. The mortgage is the basically the home loan, right? You don't know the home loan until after you make your down payment, though. So the first thing that has to happen is you have to subtract your down payment from the price of the house, right? So the price of the house minus the down payment equals your mortgage. All right. It's another thing they ask for. They tell you, like, in your closing costs, you have a couple of things that you're paying for. All right. So in the closing costs, you got to pay a down payment, which is a percentage of the price of the house. They have points. They ask for a specific number of points to pay, and that is, your points is a percentage of the mortgage. Right, and I think, and those are the things that really have to be paid before you actually get your keys and walk into your new home. All right, now these points have nothing to do with like actually your mortgage value. It's just something that you have to pay in your closing cost of a house. All right, so let's look at an actual example. All right, here we go. You are pricing a small cabin. Small cabin costs $100,000. All right, and they want they want a 5% down payment. All right, they want a 5% down payment, and they're offering a mortgage, 20-year fixed mortgage, 20-year mortgage at 8%. All right. So, first things first, we need to figure out what the mortgage is. Number one, find the mortgage. Well, now, number one is not going to be find the mortgage. Number one is going to be find the down payment value. How much is the down payment? Sorry. Down payment. All right, so they said 5% down payment. So that means, number one, it's going to be 100,000 times 5%. All right, 1,000 times 5%. Tell me what it is. $5,000 is the down payment, right? So that's the first part, the down payment, $5,000, right? The second thing you want to do is you want to calculate what your mortgage is going to be. All right, so now you want to find a mortgage. The mortgage is going to be 100,000 minus 5,000. What's that? $95,000. All right, so your mortgage is what you take out a loan for, okay? So now we can calculate our PMT. PMT, the blessed equation or formula that we got from the last section. PMT is going to be P times the rate over N all over 1 minus 1 plus R over N to the negative NT power, right? P being the mortgage, R being the rate, which is 8%. N is always monthly. You pay 12 times a year. All right? And in this particular time is 20 years. Okay? So here's our formula. It's going to be 95,000 over 0.08 over 12, all over 1 minus 1 plus 0.08 over 12 to the 12 times 20, negative 240 degrees. All right, power. All right. So let's calculate the top first. 95,000 times 0.08 over 12. Say 2,000 what? 2,375. All right, and then let's do the bottom. All right. Let's do the bottom. So you got your 1 minus 1 plus. Make sure you put parentheses there to help you out. 0.08 divided by 12 raised to negative 240. It's like 0.797 and some change, right? And then you're gonna do 2,375 divided by the answer. All right, I got 29.79 and 81 cents, which is 29.80. On to the next dollar. All right, that's what I got for the PMT. All right, so every month they're gonna pay this. Okay, so now we got our PMT. This is our monthly payment. All right, now the next thing, so we calculate our PMT. All right, so what if they said what would be the interest in your first month and the principal of your first month? All right, so what you would do is this to figure out your interest. All right, think about the table that we had. We had PMT, we had the interest, we had the principal, and then we had our loan, right? In this particular problem, the loan starts at 95,000, right? Your PMT is the same the whole time. What's that, 2980, right? Your interest, this is what we're looking at now. The interest equals your loan, right, times R over N. Okay? So your loan, just the first month, your loan is 95,000 times your rate, 0.08 over 12. That's going to give you the amount of interest that's going to be paid the first month. All right? So that's 95,000 times 0.08 divided by 12. You get $633. All right, well, 634 if you round to the next dollar. All right, 633 and some change. All right, now in your payment of $29.80, 633 and 33 cents is how much interest is being paid. What's your question?
So if the loan or if the interest is the 633, wouldn't that mean the top of the PMT equation would be 633 too?
No. This is the interest in the interest that's being paid into your first month.
No, I know. I'm saying the formula, like the 95,000 times the R over N, that's the same as that.
This.
Yeah, I know. I'm saying that it's the same in the PMT formula. The top part, it's the same.
Oh yeah.
So that's wrong.
Oh, divided by 12. So this should have been. This is wrong.
Yeah, that's what
Oh, okay. Yeah, that is wrong. Good catch. Yeah. 633 and 33 cents. All right. Now we got to go back. All right. So let's rewind. All right. Divided by 0.797. All right. So then your payments look a little different. So did y'all get like 794?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Why didn't you speak up before, Repeat? All right.
Because he's scared. I will.
All right, 794. What was it? What did you get? 794 and some change? All right, so like 795? All right, 795. All right, so that makes even more sense. All right, so then your PMT, so your interest is going to be 634, right? Your principal, so in your first month of your payment, this month is going to the bank. All right, and so the only amount that's going towards the house would be $795 minus 634. Right. So your interest is the loan amount times the rate over time, and then your principal is going to be your PMT minus your interest. The interest payment, not the interest, the rate, but the payment. So that's 795 minus 634. All right.
Oh, that's 634.
I know. I keep writing the 3 first. So the only amount that goes towards the principal is 161. Okay. 161 is the only amount that goes towards the bank. I mean, goes to the house. All right. So then, after your first month, the value of your loan is going to be $95,000 minus $161, which is going to be $94,839. Okay. Everybody good? So now, in your next month, PMT stays the same, $795. The interest would change. The interest then would be $94,839 times the rate, 0.08 over 12. That's how this number changes, and this number changes, and this number changes. Okay? So that's going to be times 0.08 divided by 12. And it's 632.26. Alright? Let's call it 633. Alright? Minus 795. Notice that. Minus. Okay, going on. Alright, 795 minus 6. 162, right? Minus 94,839. You get 94,677. Alright? Everybody see that? So this is the first. The second was 94,839 minus 162. Okay. So this is how you see the change in interest. So as the months progress, less money will start going into your interest, and more money will start going into the payment towards the house. So the bank starts getting less, but at the beginning, the bank gets more money up front, right, in their interest rate. Okay, so that's how we calculate our interest amount, our interest payment, and our principal payment, and we see how the loan changes. Any questions? Don't worry about the video. I'll record the video again.